In this assessment, we're being asked how many electrons oxygen needs to gain to achieve a noble gas configuration. If we look at its electron configuration, we note that there are 6 valence electrons, which is consistent with oxygen being in group 16 of the periodic table. Being only 2 electrons away from neon, it makes sense that oxygen can pick up 2 electrons to have a filled valence shell and therefore achieve the noble gas configuration of neon. By adding those 2 electrons, the configuration changes to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. That is the electron configuration that matches neon. In the process of gaining those 2 electrons, oxygen will now have a -2 charge.